Okay, now the extended options for showing the revolve to surface. Now one of the things to be aware of with revolve to surface is that you'll notice I used a planar surface. And the reason I did that in the example is no matter how the profile intersects that surface, if you have a look carefully, you'll see that the profile actually goes into the fillet here, yet it's still able to extrapolate. If we use a generic surface, for example, we try to use this curved surface here, you'll see it actually doesn't able to complete that. The requirement is that the profile that you have that you're revolving has to fully be contained within the surface that you're selecting. So if it goes beyond that surface at any point in the current release of beta 1, it can't work out what that is. So if you'd like to show that, I have a second model set up. This is the Ergotron wall mount. So this is for things like monitor arms and so on. So it actually is mounted to the wall like this, and this is just the main bearing support. Now obviously with monitor arms you've got a lot of cables running down, and it'd be nice to be able to control those a little bit more. So we're going to add a little ring here to try and slide your cables behind. So we can use the revolve option again. We'll just pick our center axis, and we'll use, if we do up to surface, we can pick this surface and you'll see it's fully enclosed, so we can actually do that. Now to slide the monitor cables in, we'll use the offset option, and we'll do a 5mm offset, and you'll see that's trimmed away from the surface for us, so it's not a straight cut. And then we'll just do a fillet, which is 1 3/4mm on this edge to clean it up a little bit. And there we go. So you can see we can slide our cables in here, and they'll just hold up in this area here to keep it clean. And you can do it on the other side as well if you want. So just remember that if you do a revolve to surface and you want to use a non-planar surface, it has to be fully enclosed by the surface. That's the only thing to be aware of.